Hi there, in this video we're going to have a look at the volume of a cuboid in the context of a little word problem. So here we go. Kelly is packing boxes with books for a charity sale, and she knows that 35 books have a volume of 6,000 cubic centimetres. Will 35 books fit in this box? So Kelly's figured out that 35 of these books, when all packed together, have a volume of 6,000 cubic centimetres. So will 35 of these books fit inside this box? Is that going to work? How can we figure it out? Well, what we've got to do is we have to figure out the volume of this box. As you know, the box is a cuboid, so we need its height and its width and its length, and we're going to multiply those together and see if we can figure out the volume of the box. So let's do that just now. Okay, so we know that the formula of a cuboid is given by length times width times height. Okay, so we need those three dimensions from our box. So let's have a look then. So what do we have? We've got the length is 32.5. We have the width is 12, see? And we have the height is 15.25. And all of these lengths are in centimetres. So she's measured them with a ruler and they're all in centimetres, and we're trying to figure out the volume. So we don't need this anymore. I'm going to give this back to Kelly for the box packing. There you go, Kelly. Okay, so we're going to multiply these three numbers together. So it's quite complicated, so watch very carefully. So we have the length 32.5. Going to multiply that by 12, and then again by 15.25. So if we want to multiply mixed numbers together, we first have to change them into improper fractions. So let's do that just now. So we have 32.5, excuse me, gives us 65 over 2. 12 stays as it is, but we use 12 over 1 to signify that. So we have a top and a bottom number to multiply. So we have a numerator and a denominator as well. And then 15.25 gives us 61 over 4. We might need a calculator for this one, but if we want to work it out longhand, I'm going to just take a little shortcut. So we have 65 times 12 times 61 gives us, whoops, 47580. We multiply across the bottom line as well, and that gives us 8, which, if we work out exactly, gives us a volume of 5,947.5 cubic centimetres. Okay, so we've successfully worked out the volume of the box. So what we've got to figure out now is we'll go back to the question, look at the key points and see what the question was actually asking us to do. Okay, so Kelly was packing boxes and she wants to figure out, she knows that 35 books have a volume of 6,000 cubic centimetres, but will 35 books fit in the box? So the box has a volume of 5,947.5 cubic centimetres, so since this is less than 6,000, that means that the answer to the question is no. No. 35 books will not fit in the box. Alright, so we've been asked a word problem. It's always a good idea to answer in words to show that you know what the question's been asking and you've kind of made sense of that. Okay, so just briefly one more time, we want to figure out the volume of the box that we just showed you. Kelly's got it. Kelly, thank you. Here it is. It's 32.5 by 12 by 15.25, and we've figured out that the volume of that box is 5,847.5, and this is less than 6,000, which is what the volume of 35 books is, so no, 35 books will not fit in the box, okay? Thank you very much.